Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken fast, updated. Start by marking known spawn hotspots and set a route that minimizes backtracking immediately. Equip gear that boosts detection and movement so you can reach spawns quickly and survive initial skirmishes. Track cooldowns and rotate between high-yield zones while communicating with teammates to share intel and timers for efficient farming. Optimize your setup by choosing items that increase movement and detection immediately after you find a spawn route. Swap to combat gear only when the Kraken appears to avoid slowing your route and to stay agile. Use consumables proactively so you don't waste time returning to base, and keep one quick access bag with essentials to handle unexpected tougher spawns or extended fights. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more guides. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait on spawn timers, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in a gaming bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more portable reading, that one's a solid pick. Now let's get back to the video. Coordinate a simple role plan before you start the route so everyone knows who tanks, who bursts, and who heals immediately. Watch server activity and schedule your runs during quieter windows to reduce competition and increase spawn probability. Keep calls short and exact during fights, and use timers for phases so everyone can prepare cooldowns at the right moments to finish Kraken encounters fast and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.